Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Root to Mathematics. In this video, going to solve this interesting question. So here we have given a kite in the shape of square with diagonal 32 centimeters. So here is a kite which is in the shape of a square, and these two are the diagonals having length 32 centimeter each. So this is 32 centimeter and this one too 32 centimeter. Okay, and an isosceles triangles of base 8 centimeters. This pink triangle is the isosceles triangles having sides 6 centimeters. As we know that in isosceles triangles the sides are equal, so this side also 6 centimeter and this side also 6 centimeter as well. Okay, each is to be three different shades as shown. As you can see that this one is in blue and this one is green, and this small isosceles triangles is in pink in color. Okay, so here we are asked to find how much paper of each shades has been used in it. So here we are asked to find how much area the each shade of kite covered. Okay, so we need to find out the areas of each shade. So let's get started. Now in the first step I'll name each point. So I'll name it as A, B, C, D, and this point as O, and this as E and F. Okay. Now as you can see that A, B, C, D are in the form of square as it is given in the question. Okay, the diagonals of square are bisecting each other, so this must be a right angle triangle, that is triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. This one also right angle triangle, this one also right angle triangle, and this one as well right angle triangle. Okay, so area of a right angle triangle, that is area of triangle AOB, which is a right angle triangle, is equals to half base into height. Okay, the total length is 32 centimeters, so this one must be 16 centimeter. Okay, and this one also 16 centimeter. So this equals to half multiplied with the base is 16. So I'll put 16 and the height is 16 as well. Okay. So 2 get cancelled out by 8. So 8 multiplied with 16, 128 centimeters square. Okay. So we just got the area of triangle AOB. We need to find out the area of blue shade triangle ADB, that is area of triangle blue is, as the both triangle having same base and height, we just need to multiply 2 with the area of triangle AOB. So the area of triangle blue is 2 multiplied with triangle AOB, that is 2 multiplied with 128 centimeter square, which is equals to 256 centimeter square. Okay, now we need to find out the area covered by the green shade. So you can see that triangle blue is exact replica of triangle green, as the height and base are same. So we can write area of triangle green is equals to area of triangle blue, which is equal to 256 centimeter square. Now let's come to triangle pink, which is a isosceles triangle. So for isosceles triangle, we'll apply the Heron's formula, that is A equals to, here A is the area, equals to root over of S multiplied with S minus A and S minus B and S minus C, and S, which is the perimeter of this isosceles triangle, which is equals to ABC divided by 2, and here ABC is representing the sides of this isosceles triangles. Okay, so for area of triangle pink, the perimeter S is equals to 6 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2 centimeter. So this implies is S equals to 20 divided by 2 centimeter, which is equals to 10 centimeter. Okay, so this one is the perimeter. So we found the perimeter. Let's just find the area. So the area of triangle pink is equals to root under S multiplied with S minus 6 multiplied with S minus 6 again and multiplied with S minus 8. This equals to root over of 10 multiplied with 10 minus 6 multiplied with 10 minus 6 multiplied with 10 minus 8. This equals to root over of 10 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 2. This equals to root under 320, which is equals to 17.92 centimeter square. Okay, so the area covered by the blue and green shades is 256 centimeter and the area covered by this pink shade is 17.92 centimeter square is our answer. I hope you have understood the solution. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.